Hi friends! Welcome back to Utuashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Wishing you the gift of faith and the blessing of hope this Thanksgiving Day.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Since this week is a very special week, we have a very special recipe for you. Today we are going to be making a yummy, delicious, creamy, soft mashed sweet potato casserole with a nutty, crunchy topping, a perfect dish to be on your table this holiday season. Let's begin by baking sweet potatoes in a preheated oven for 1 hour. Remove from oven and allow it to cool for 5 minutes, then remove the skin. Let's prepare the crunchy nut topping. To a food processor, add oats, pecans, salt and pepper, sage herb, olive oil, maple syrup, and pulse on high speed. You can substitute pecans with walnuts, almonds, or you can add a combination of nuts. Crumbly topping is ready. Remove and set it aside. To a food processor, add baked sweet potato, salt and pepper, ground ginger powder, butter. Pulse on high speed and add milk and pulse until it becomes very smooth. Transfer the mashed sweet potato to a baking dish and smooth it. Spread nutty, crunchy topping on top evenly. Bake at preheated oven for 20 minutes. Yummy, delicious sweet potato casserole is ready to enjoy. Crispy, crunchy topping with some smooth and silky sweet potato, a very tasty side dish. Celebrate this holiday season with this recipe. There are so many things we are thankful for this year, but at the very top of the list, it's you. Wishing you a wonderful holiday filled with warmth and happiness this holiday season. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you like our channel, please
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye guys!